Alright, I just wanted to let you guys know that I paid for this fan. I guess I'll put a link in it so you can get it if you want it. It's a high-speed waist fan. It has a flashlight. And this is the small box, actually, that it comes in. Let's see here. I took it out of a plastic wrapper, which looks like that, and made sure it was all charged up. It was 96% whenever I got it, and it shows on the top. This has the fan on one side of it, and the clips on either side of this thing. One hooks up this way so that the fan blows a different direction, and one hooks up from under this way, bottom and then top. You have a choice of direction that it blows, but the on button is right here, the one on the right hand side. You can't really, they really don't mark it very much. You hold it for 3 seconds and it goes to, it shows 99% charge. So that's your low speed. So you hold, you push it one time, you get more speeds, 10 at a time. I say that and then look, it's not doing it. Oh, this is up on this side. So the right side is your up, increments of 10, which I will be trying it today. It's going to be in the 90s. And then on this side, increments of 10 down. Now also on this side here, you hold it down for 3 seconds, and you get a flashlight, which is that light right there. You want to turn it off, hold it for 3 seconds. There it is. Now turning this thing off, you hold it for 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3. And it charges with a USB-C on the side right there. Now, I'm fixing to try it, and I will let you know, because this is going to be hot today. And I'm doing it by this job by myself on the roof. So here we go. All right. So I ran it all the way down. This fan took about 2.5 to 3 hours at full blast, and it certainly did help. It is even the sound of the air blowing is certainly good for you to feel like, hey, I'm getting wind blowing over, but you are getting wind. So it's good. We'll see how long it takes to charge up, but 2.5 to 3 hours at full blast.